already know the vibe. So we got here the DualSense charging station. As you can see, it's really different than the PS4. And also we had a DualSense wireless controller. Bam. And also we got a PS5 box. Damn, as you can see, it's really heavy. Even though the gym is closed, you can use it as a dumbbell if you want, or a barbell. This is the 825 gigabytes. It says like lightning speed, harness the power of custom CPU, SD, blah 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 and everything. And now let's jump right into it. Let's open the box. Let's go. After unboxing the PS5, guys, let's try to play the free games that they have, which is Astro. So let's go try this game, guys. What we got here? Oh, virus. Oh, what are you guys doing there? Hey, huh? You stuck, my friend. Why? Oh, they took you. Kidnap, huh? So they kidnapped those 3 kids right there. No, actually they're not kids. They are the oldest people in the planet. These 3 guys. Now let's go to the elevator. Oh, they had stairs, not elevator, my friend. Where we hidden, my friend? What do you got here? Oh my god. Oh, virus. Ah! Hey you, what are you guys doing here? Do your job. Cook some spaghetti for me. Cook some pasta, my friend. What do you have here? Oh, hey you export some drugs here, my friend? Oh, what is this? Oh shit. We have to pull this. Damn, money in the back. Oh, let's take some elevator. My friend, why you left me? Where are you? Come back. Let's go, baby. Money in the bank. Woo. Oh, virus. What's up? You waiting for me? Oh, what happened to you guys? You got kidnapped again? Oh my god. Now we're taking the stairs. Actually, this is a good stairs. When you had it at home, you just have to jump. Oh, what is that? Copy. Let's go. Burn that. Hi. Open the door for me. You had some roof. Bulletproof. And this is how you zip the zipper, like this. You just have to swipe, and one more. Ooh, PS5, baby. Where we going? This one, I have to press this. Oh, nitro, baby. Broom. It's like the old school games. So you just have to use this as a gas. Where are we going, my friend? What is that? Money. Virus. Ah! No. Stay away from me, guys. Up! What is this? Turbo? Wait, virus. Get away from me. Money. You have some money here. Just have to land. I didn't even know that. Ah, oh yeah. Hey, you just chilling here? Don't even help me, guys. Oh, what is that? Virus. Virus trying to catch me, my friend. I'm here, behind you. And this? Wow, what a nice life, my friend. What are you doing here? Just sitting around, chilling around? How good, my friend. Another virus. Oh my god. No, I'm not talking to you. Oh, virus. You miss. Oh, whoa, what is this? Nice. What is it, airbag? Virus trying to attack me. Hey, what are you? What is this, New Year? Wow. We still get some money. Money in the bank. Full the roof. Wow, what you got there? Oh, we have some guns, my friend. Let me shoot you. Let me shoot you. Let me shoot you. Ain't scared for nobody. Let me shoot you. This is the vaccine. This is the new vaccine. 2020. So what you got? Disinfect your hand, my friend. Oh, what is that? Hello. Ah! What is he doing? Ah! He died? Yes, he died. This is the right vaccine for you guys. Woo! Whoa. Where did this virus came from? Ah! Nice. So that's it for today's video, guys. And if you are not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, slap that subscribe button, click the notification bell for more videos. See you on the next game. We will continue this game. Astro, baby. PS5. Let's go. Thank you.